trip, and today we're checking out of our Airbnb and then going to Busan today, taking the train. So first we have to check out, and then we're gonna Uber and store our luggage at somewhere called Radical Storage because we can only bring our carry-on, because from Busan we're going to Jeju and we're just really stressed, have to make sure everything is done, and we store our luggage and get on the train. So I'm gonna go. Hopefully today we're able to go on the sky capsule at the time we want, because we weren't able to get tickets earlier because you needed a Korean credit card. And I hope today's okay, because yesterday we ended up walking like 35k steps, which was great. We saw a lot of things, but very tiring. Feet are very sore. Today's a little bit gloomy. I think it might rain, it might not. Hopefully it doesn't. But this is my fit. I'm just wearing this with my sweatpants I wore to the airport, and then I'm gonna wear this trench. I got this from Hwangnyeong. Kind of similar colors, but they're all different colors. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye! So currently we're waiting to check in one of our luggages at the storage place, and they don't want us to come back till right at 9 or else they'll charge us extra. So we're just waiting here.
We came in 10 minutes early.
Look. All our luggage. And we have to haul it up a flight of stairs to in there. So we are at Lotteria. We got our food. I got these kimchi seasoned nuggets, vegetable rice bulgogi, and we also got this one, onion flavored, kind of like a shake, and then fries. Not bad. They're really like soft and not like crispy. These are like fully seasoned. The seasoning got in my nose. It's like, oh.
Up your nose? Bulgogi.
Okay.
Right, by my nose.
Right? You see it? How do I even eat this? Just rice. It tastes like what it is.
So you taste the rice?
Yeah. It's a vegetable bulgogi burger. I don't know who else would order this except me, but it's okay.
You know what that
Guys,
is? Burdock?
I just wanted tea, or like I didn't want soda, because the only options were coffee and soda, and we don't drink coffee. So I got this burdock tea. I don't know what this is. Hi guys, so we're here in Busan now. Our room number is 1504. Oh, look at that view. Can you see it from here? There's our bathroom, you know, the Korean style over there. I'll leave the luggage here. Okay. Wow. Why is there only 2 pillows? Okay. Ooh, look. So cute. Wow, the kitchen's pretty, like, you know, it's very bright and roomy. There's a TV. I'm so happy we chose this one.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my gosh. So this is Gwangalli Beach? Wow. Our view is gorgeous and everyone's walking on the sand and there's like a little park there. Whew. We're very hot.
The bus ride, we went on a bus ride and that was the craziest bus ride I ever went. No
The bus ride
again.
so hot and it was fully packed. We're standing by the doors, so every time we're at the doors, we'd get hit.
Yeah.
And
the luggage did not help.
he was like speeding too. He was going.
Who's going past the cars?
Anyways, we're here. We're here in Busan.
I think I'm gonna change.
I'm so tired now. This is so heavy. So we're gonna go on the sky capsule beach train. I don't know.
I wanna go to temple, but I don't know if we have time.
We'll see. Okay. Let's freshen up a little bit and then we'll go. So we just Ubered to Haedong Temple and it's so pretty here. It's like a little area. There's like little shops here and so many cherry blossoms. The air is so cool because we're by the water. It's so refreshing. Wow. Do you see that dog, guys? Look at the dog. So right now we're gonna write some like wishes and I guess prayers on this stone here. I don't know what to write. I totally forgot to turn on my mic during this clip, but we made it onto the beach train. We ended up taking the train that was already there because the time slots we wanted for the beach train and sky capsule were already fully booked. So since we were the last ones to get on the train, we stood behind everybody else, but at the last couple of stops we were able to sit in the front row and really take in this view. Forgot to turn on my mic for the next few clips, but that's okay. Here, I was just saying that we hopped off the beach train and arrived at Cheongsepo station. We only had around 30 minutes in this area to explore because we had to make it onto the next sky capsule. That's what our tickets were good for, but we were speedy, we took our photos. Okay, I put the sunglasses on, so now I can finally see. But we're here. It is so pretty, sunny, but still cloudy. The water. I literally feel like I'm in like, you know, like a beach anime. Like I know that Cheongsepo is inspired by like the one spot like from Slam Dunk is what they said, and I know it's supposed to be like the place in Kamakura. Okay guys, quick fit check. I'm wearing just this long sleeve, and then my sweatpants here.
Just wearing black cardigan, green tank, and cargo pants. That's it.
It's so cute here.
We're going to that capsule in like 10 minutes right now.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
So we're on the sky capsule now, and it's so beautiful outside, guys, honestly. Like, look, they just passed us by. We're on such a cute one. It has a chicken on it. This reminds me of like Wave to Earth song or Blue by Young Kai, just like beach town, careless, happy. Guys, it's golden hour right now.
Eagles passing us.
Here is ours. That's the one we're on right now. I've said that about the purple one, but I think we're on the pink one, right?
Yeah.
I think. So cute.
This is Eagle.
Ooh, she bought some stickers.
Busan.
Honestly, so worth a bang for your buck. It is expensive, but it's been like...
Split two is only 20.
Oh,
each
okay.
person.
And it's been more than 10 minutes, I'd say.
Yeah. We got it at like 40.
Our thing was, for like 4:40-ish. And we got to sit alone because we were kind of scared if we had to like sit with another like couple or like 2 other people. But we're together, just us 2. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this while this moment lasts. So we're at the souvenir shop after our sky capsule, and I found these postcards, and they're so adorable. So we're at a rooftop cafe right now, and we got these. I got the mango aid, and we're sharing the strawberry green tea cake. It's so refreshing, and it has bits of mango in it too. For dinner, we wanted a restaurant with a view of the bridge, so we went to gwangalli, got this octopus dish, and the place was only a 5-minute walk from our Airbnb. So we just finished having dinner, and now we're at a mountain. As you can see, it's so windy up here. My ears are popping. It's cold, much colder. Put on the jacketing. Apparently we're supposed to get a really great view of Busan from up here, so excited. We finally climbed all the way up. Look, it's the top. Here's this thingy. And it is so windy up here. Oh my goodness, it's so high up. My feet are kind of trembling, and I'm kind of scared of dropping things, but I know I won't. Look, you can see the bridge here. It's much prettier in real life. I don't know, the camera's not really catching it. It kind of looks cloudy, probably because we're high up. Now this is the other side. Look at all those lights. Do you see those 2 boats over there? They're shooting fireworks. Anyways, during the night.